Hello and welcome, back on the Catalina convertible. If you've watched prior videos, you'll remember I had many broken body mount bolts. In the trunk area, all the cage nuts connected to the floor braces were completely rotted out. In addition to opening up areas of the floor, I had to design and fabricate replacement brace for the area just behind the driver's side rear wheel well. Also, new mounting plates are required to fit within the braces, eliminating the need for cage nuts. Next, I had to prepare to weld a nut onto the tap plate. This will ensure enough threaded area for the body bolt to be secure when tightened. Okay, the idea now is to thread the bolt in there. And then we're going to put this all the way down. But we don't want it to be tight. We want it to be, because if you tighten it, you won't be able to turn the bolt. So we want it just where it's snug enough where the bolt's going to thread out easily. Right there is pretty good. So right before I go to put a tack on there, I'm going to make sure that it's nice and loose there. Right around there would be perfect, because I don't want to fight this to torque when I'm torquing down the body mounts. If it's too tight, then it's not going to thread easily, so I have to space the threads out evenly between where I just tapped it here and then the actual nut. But I am going to flatten the nut a little bit just so I have a better contact. I'm going to take some of that, a little bit of that bulb out of there. As you can see here, the bolt threads easily in either direction. Now it was on to grinding down the welds and tapering the nut to allow more travel of the plate in the body mount. Okay, after grinding, got a nice tapered fit, and I'm pretty confident I got some good penetration just from the color that was on the back side of the piece. So. Okay, now you can see that without the cage there, with this oversized plate, when you're either tightening it or loosening it, it's going to hit the sides of the brace. It'll lock it in place. Also, having this tapered shape, it'll fit nice inside the cup on the body bushing. It'll allow you plenty of motion to make sure that it's centered, or at least it's able to connect up there. Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for notifications on this project's progress and other how-to videos. Thanks!